Hey Natalie, good morning. That's right. You know, now's the time of year where we're thinking about everyone else, but it's also the time of year when you want to focus on yourself. And especially if you have a recent injury, we are here at a place I'm so excited to introduce you to. This is the premier destination for orthopedic care. We're at the Center for Orthopedics, and I'm here with one of the founding members. This is Dr. Robert Zanotti. It's a pleasure to meet with you. And I have to say, you have done such a wonderful job, specifically in this area of Northeast Ohio, where you are taking care of your patients, and you've been doing it for over 25 years. Why is this community so important to you?
You know, I think it's just great to be in this new location. Thanks to our expanded partnership with university hospitals, we've been able to open up state-of-the-art centers. We've been able to change how we deliver healthcare. One of our personal musts is having the availability to see our patients. Instead of having to go through multiple layers, they have direct access in the community. We've been able to create 2 tremendous walk-in clinics, state-of-the-art centers. And again, with our expanded practice footprint here in Amherst, especially with university hospitals opening up a surgery center, we have the ability to see people on a same-day status. You can walk in, no appointments needed. You can see the surgeon. If it's something that needs to be addressed surgically, it can be done within 24 or 48 hours in most cases.
Right.
It gives the patients a chance to feel that they're in their community, in their safe setting. And again, we've been able to develop a setting of systems of places to take care of patients that avoids some of the cumbersome nature of the large hospital buildings.
Sure.
By utilizing our stay suites, for example, patients get assigned a personal nurse navigator. That's somebody in a concierge level to take them through their process. This avoids complications and problems down the road.
Right.
And it really connects us to our local patients, our local environment. We get access to state-of-the-art care through university hospitals, but yet we still have our hometown personal connection in a setting now close to home.
Yeah, this is home. You have done a great job with making everyone really feel like a VIP, an all-star. And you mentioned being able to see people same day. I want to talk right now with Dr. Dave Marsh. He is one of the specialists on this team. And Dr. Zanotti mentioned the fact that you are open to people Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., and you give them access, and you make them all feel like they are all-stars, and you give them the VIP treatment.
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. You know, I've been with practice now for a little over 10 years, and taking care of my community, we really do strive to provide that access. You know, interestingly, and you know, on a personal level, actually, my son Brody fell about 2 months ago and broke his elbow at the trampoline park. And you know, even in this scenario where you can understand, you know, as a parent, I was able to get him in. We actually saw him through the cast room. One of my partners actually fixed his elbow, you know, within about 48 hours at our surgery center. And so it just really gives me, obviously I'm a little bit unique that I have access to that, but we're actually trying to provide that for our entire community. And so it really has been a great thing to keep striving towards.
Well, that's something that I wanted to say, because here at the Center for Orthopedics, it's not just you having that access, it's not just your son having that VIP treatment. That is what you strive to do with all of your patients when they come in here.
Yeah, honestly, I really do think that's a little bit of a differentiator for us. Like I said, I've been here for 10 years, and so, I mean, there's some clinics in the area, it's gonna take you 2 or 3 weeks to get in to see people, and there's a lot of anxiety around having an injury like that, like does this need surgery, like what's the inconvenience of this break gonna take care of, so that's what we're doing.
Now, as we make our way over here, I want to see if we can check in with another doctor, because Dr. Raymond Weber, I believe, is with a patient, and this is a patient that happened to come in today. He had an ailment. Dr. Weber, thanks for joining us.
Absolutely, thanks for coming.
You are one of the specialists who said, you know what, I really think bringing a walk-in clinic to the Center for Orthopedics is something that we need to do for our patients. Why was it so important to you?
Absolutely. So it's a chance for patients to, again, have that access that we are so passionate about here, that if you have an injury, you don't know what to do, you come in, we will take care of you. All ages, all injuries, anything orthopedic wise, anything injury wise, we'll be happy to see you. This is one of our new bays that we have here over at our Amherst office that allows for that access. Again, 8 to 4. Monday through Friday. Any injury, any concern, we'll see you.
And I think it is worth noting too, people of all ages, when you think about orthopedic care, we're talking about everything from sports medicine, and that can not only be, you know, kids playing, you know, pickup games, but also adults who maybe are playing in rec center leagues, but also joint replacement, spinal surgery, you name it.
Yeah, the comprehensive orthopedic clinic, take care of anything, whether it's non-surgical, we could take care of you conservatively, up to including surgery if you need it. Within 48 hours, we'll take care of it.
And I'm going to put you on the spot, but how many different locations are there now?
So there's 2 walk-in clinics.
Okay.
I think we have 4 or 5 offices around the
Wow,
area,
okay.
ranging from North Olmsted, North Ridgeville, Sheffield, Amherst. And so we've got that access, and this helps us push west
That's right.
to serve our patients in the western edge of the area.
Well, Dr. Weber, I want to thank you. I want to thank Dr. Marsh and Dr. Zanotti for taking
Thank
the
you
time
so
to
much.
speak with us this morning. Again, the Center for Orthopedics, we're here at the Amherst location, but if you have an injury, don't wait, especially you can come in today. They'll take care of you. They make you all feel like all-stars and give you the VIP treatment. So be sure to stick around because New Day Cleveland is live and on the go, and we're back in Amherst coming up a little bit later in the show. We'll be right back.